Good evening, all, and welcome to the channel My Trading Life, where we look at the performance of the Nifty 50 and try to predict what is going to happen in the future. So, welcome all today, and let's see what happened in the today's trading session, that is on the 25th of September 2020. So in today after the yesterday's steep fall, we could see the Nifty recovered, and it not only recovered, it closed higher than the yesterday's open. Okay, so what we can see over here is a huge pullback basically by the Nifty 50. Now, whether to assess that this will be a rest to the fall of the Nifty 50 will be difficult to say, but there will be a certain levels that the Nifty will have to clear before we can confidently say that the Nifty 50 has turned around this particular retraction in its bull run from the March, okay, till September. Okay, so let's see what has happened in the smaller time frame. So let's go to a 5-minute time frame. So we can see in the morning the Nifty 50 on after opening having a gap up opening almost reached the 10,900 levels. Okay, and then again dropped down to around 10,860, and after that it had a super bull run. Okay, and it closed and reached the day's high of 11,073. Okay, and closed around 11,050. Now over here, if you see, okay, so I have already plotted the Fibonacci retracement. So this is the start of the fall of the Nifty 50 from the 18th of September. So now if you take the Fibonacci retracement, then you can see the Nifty 50 closed exactly just shy of the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement line. Okay, so now over here, looking at this, there will be few important levels that the Nifty 50 will have to clear before it starts, maybe it starts moving to in the upward direction again. So the first level is going to be at the obviously the 38.2% level of the Fibonacci retracement, and this level you can see is perfectly matching up with the gap. Okay, that gap that was created by the Nifty. Okay, in on 24th trading session. Okay, so it will be necessary for us to see in the next week, okay, whether this particular gap is filled up. Okay, and the next important level is going to be the 50 level mark. So 50% level mark. So you can see this 50% level mark is again coinciding with this particular support. Okay, so obviously this is going to act like a resistance when the Nifty is moving upwards. So another level is going to be the 11,190 level mark, and then we have finally the 61.8%, that is 11,200 and around 90. Okay, so these are the three levels the Nifty 50 will have to clear before we can confidently say that the Nifty 50 has gone back on its bull run. Otherwise, if this is a mere correction, then we have a mere correction to this steep fall of the Nifty 50 from the last 4 days. Okay, then we need to see whether the Nifty is going to break through this particular level of the 10,800 levels. Okay, so if this particular level is basically lost, then the Nifty will further drop down. Okay, and we had discussed that in the earlier lecture, in the earlier series. Okay, up till where the Nifty could basically fall due to this particular uh, uh, correction in the Nifty 50. So yeah, so I would like to again reiterate. So the next support level is going to come at around 10,182. Okay, and after that, so you can see this 10,100 so sorry, 10,150. Okay, so you can see this 10,150 matching up with this gap which the Nifty had formed during its drop of the lockdown. Okay, during the lockdown, and then the next after 10,130, the next level is big support level is going to come at around 900 and 60 level, 9600 levels. Okay, so let's hope that the Nifty 50 does not break through this particular level of 10,800 and we get another bull run in the coming few weeks. But because due to the market conditions, I'm a little pessimistic about if that is to come in the coming few weeks. Okay, so thank you all for tuning in. For now, no stock recommendations due to the uncertainty in the market. Okay, so let's see how the market performs on Monday, and see you all and have a great day. Thank you.